Whether you're a student preparing for an exam such as the SAT or simply someone that's looking to enhance their reading skills, this video is packed with valuable tips and techniques to help you master the unseen passage comprehension. It includes tips, strategies, and practice exercise. So let's start with the first tip. Active reading. Active reading involves engaging with the text and asking questions as you go along. As you read, underline key ideas, circle or highlight unfamiliar words, and make sure to look them up in your dictionary. Translate them and write down important notes in the margins. This will help you retain information and better understand the passage for sure. Next, practice summarizing. After reading a passage, take a moment to summarize its main idea and supporting details in your own words. This will ensure that you grasp the overall concept and can recall it later during the test. Additionally, pay attention to the structure of the passage. Identify the organization and purpose of each paragraph. Look for transition words such as however or therefore that connect idea. Understanding how the passage is structured will give you a clearer understanding of its content. Another important strategy is to anticipate the answers. Before reading the answers choices, try to come up with your own answer based on your understanding of the passage. This will prevent you from being swayed by tempting but incorrect choices. And lastly, practice time management. The SAT is timed, so it's essential to learn how to pace yourself during reading comprehension section. Set timers while preparing and gradually decrease the time allowed. This will help you build confidence and ensure that you can answer all the questions within the given time frame. So now let's practice together. Follow the text and my reading on the screen. I chose for ESL Model B, and it won't be so difficult, so I presume it will be easy to read. Then read carefully the questions and do your best to answer. I'll leave the answers in the description box as always, so you can check them later. The Ice Hotel. Sweden's Ice Hotel is in a small village on the Torn River, close to the North Pole. It is made completely of ice. Every summer, the ice melts and the hotel disappears, so the owners need to rebuild it the next year. How did people in the village get the idea to build a hotel from ice? In the summer, the village always had many visitors who came to fish, but the villagers wanted visitors to come in the winter too. So in 1989, they organized a winter art exhibition in an igloo. Many visitors came to the exhibition. Some brought sleeping bags and warm blankets. They asked if they could sleep in the igloo. That was the beginning of the Ice Hotel project. Since then, instead of one small igloo for the exhibition, the owners build a large hotel every year. They begin to work on it in March. First workers cut out 5,000 tons of ice from the river and keep it in the freezers. Then in November, 100 workers start building the hotel. 10 weeks later, the Ice Hotel is ready for the first guest of the year. The hotel has 65 rooms. Temperature in the room is -5 degrees. To get a good night's rest, guests have to sleep in sleeping bags and wear gloves and hats all the time. Though it is little uncomfortable, they say it is very special experience. Guests can eat the hotel's excellent restaurant, participate in winter sports, and even go to an overnight outdoor camp. The town expects that 50,000 visitors will come to see the hotel this year. It is open from January until April. After that, as the temperature rises, the beautiful ice building slowly melts and nothing is left but water. Okay guys, now after finish reading the unseen passage, let's move on to the questions. So grab a paper and a pen and let's start working on it together. Answer the questions 1 to 8 according to the text. Let's begin. Number 1. What do we learn about the hotel in lines 1 to 8? 1. Who the owners of the hotel are. 2. Why the hotel is in a small village. 3. Why its owners rebuild it every year. Question number 2. Why did the villagers organize an art exhibition in lines 9 to 14? 1. They wanted visitors to come in the winter. 2. They wanted more people to come to fish. 3. They wanted guests to come to the hotel. Question number 3. How did the villagers get the idea for the ice hotel on lines 9 to 14? 1. They saw an ice hotel at the exhibition. 2. Visitors went to an ice hotel in another village. 3. Visitors wanted to sleep in the igloo. Question number 4. Complete the sentence. Every year in March, Question number 5. What does the writer say is a little uncomfortable? Give one answer, lines 20 to 24. Give one example of what guests can do at the ice hotel. Lines 20 to 24. 7, tick V by the two correct answers. So what do we learn about the hotel in lines 20 to 27? 1. How much a room costs. 2. What the rooms look like. Or 3. What the best way is to get there. 4. How popular it is. 5. How many rooms there are. And last we have, why does the hotel close in April? So this is a full answer, and it's regarding lines 25 to 27. Good luck. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video on mastering SAT Reading Comprehension strategies. Let me know in the comments below if you found those tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and good luck with your exams, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.